Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to record Instagram video call with audio, or how to record Instagram video call or record Instagram audio or voice call. If you want to record your Instagram voice or video call with audio, so let's see how to do that. After that, choose and open phone settings, and in this you can easily record your all Instagram video call with audio. So let's see. So first of all, in this here write and search screenshots and screen recording. You can see screenshots and screen recordings, so click on it. After that, scroll down. You can see format, click on it. You can see JPG, PNG, so in this you can choose JPG. After that, save screenshots in, so open it. You can create a new folder or place files here, and in this you can easily create a new folder. After that, right top corner, click on it and then create new folder. After that, choose create, click here. After that, in this here done, click on it. Screen recordings, you can see record sound, open it, and in this one you can see non media, media and mic, so you can choose media and mic, click on it. After that, choose and open video quality. You can see 3 video quality: high, medium, low. So in this you can choose your need option. I can choose high. After that, you can see save screen recordings in, open it, and in this you can create a new folder. After that, right top corner, click on it. After that, choose create, click here, and then choose done, click on it. And in this way you can easily done all setting Instagram video call recording or Instagram audio call or voice call recording. And in this way I can show another way, so let's see. After that, go back, scroll down, you can see advanced features, click here. Screenshots and screen recordings, click on it. You can see all settings already I can done, and in this you can easily record your Instagram video call with audio, or record your Instagram video call, or record your Instagram audio or voice calls. So minimize it and go to your Instagram. You can see screen recorder, click here. After then, you can call audio or voice or video call, and in this way you can easily record Instagram video call or record Instagram voice call or record Instagram audio call. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.